Welcome to this beautiful heart expansion practice. So if you want to get still, start to breathe, place your hands over your heart. And just breathe into your heart space. Notice your heartbeat. Follow it. Follow your heartbeat with the breath. And you can even sync your heartbeat with the beat of Mother Earth. Breathing deeply into the space. Inside yourself, I want you to say, "Here I am. Here I am." And just allow yourself to soften. Here I am. Imagine your heart is a gentle flame or sphere of light. And breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And as you exhale, let any tension in your chest soften. Anchor in infinite source. Visualize a golden stream of light flowing down from source into your heart. Say silently or aloud, "Source, you hold all of this. I only need to stay open." Source, you hold all of this. I only need to stay open. See the innocence. And if another person is involved, something heartbreaking, imagine their wounded child standing in front of you as you hold your heart and you breathe. See them as a little child, or yourself as a little child. And breathe compassion to that younger self while affirming your own boundaries. Letting the love flow. Sending compassion. Breathing in love. Breathing out compassion. Feel your heart gently expand with each breath, not by effort, but by surrender. And end this with, "My heart is my home. I am safe to stay here. My heart is my home. I am safe to stay here." And why this works, it gives your nervous system a safe anchor when we put our hand on our heart. And it reminds your mind it doesn't have to do or fix. It keeps you connected to Source, who holds the energy instead of you. You don't have to hold the energy. You don't have to fix it. You don't know how to fix it. If you don't know, it's fine. Let Source do it. And it can reframe others' emotions as wounded innocence, which naturally awakens compassion without collapse. Compassion without collapse. So try this ritual. Do it as often as you deem necessary. It helps us to live in our heart space, begin to trust that it's safe to live from the heart space, to feel and to flow love, as love is who we are. It helps to, if you're dealing with someone that's toxic or negative, this ritual brings you back into your heart and helps you to see the other person and their behavior through the eyes of love and compassion. And through the eyes of love and compassion, people out here in the appearance tend to start to shift and change. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know how this was for you. How did you feel? What arises for you as you do this practice? Just keep coming back to your heart more and more and more as you remember to. And before you know it, you're living from your heart and from the openness of your heart. And this is the gateway. This is the gateway. All that we want and dream about for our lives, as we live from our heart and give and receive love freely, all that we desire, all that we want begins to manifest because we are filling ourselves up, we're softening, and in that softer place, we're open to receive.